Assalamu alaikum, good evening everyone. You are watching English Fantasy News today. This is Siam Ahmed. Our top story is ongoing gas and electricity crisis in Bangladesh. The gases are shortages affected the household, the plants, the factories and the sewing stations. On the other side, there are people are frequently facing the power cuts problem in many areas. Let's go to our correspondent Hassan Mohammad Ibrahim, who is reporting from the field.
Thank you, Siam. I'm Ibrahim, reporting from the field today. Today, I will try to talk with the local citizen in Mohammadpur how this crisis is affecting their daily lives. Bangladesh requires 3.8 billion cubic feet of gas every day, but the current supply is lower than demand. As a result, power plants are unable to generate actual electricity, whatever actually we need. And now I can try to talk a local citizen, those who are suffering and those who are facing problem. I'm joined now by a local resident, how this problem is affecting their daily lives. Hello, sir. Can I talk to you? Hello, sir. Can I talk to you?
Yes,
Please
sure,
come
of
here.
course.
How the energy crisis is affecting your daily life?
Actually, it is becoming very difficult. Sometimes the gas pressure is extremely slow and we can't cook properly. Power cuts, another major problem. They affect our daily life, daily work and business and our family life.
Okay, fine. Then, what do you think should be done to address this problem?
According to me, we need long-term solution.
Yes.
The authorities should increase gas supply and improve power generation and ensure better management of the energy sector.
Thank you for staying with us.
Thank you.
Thank you, Siam. Thank you for staying with us. We have been watching English Fantasy News today. Thank you.
Thank you, Ibrahim. That's all for today. Our top special report. This is Siam Ahmed from English Fantasy News today. Stay tuned, stay aware, and stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.